There are laws in India prevent use perfumes, banning the use of perfumes on an Indian plane. It was suggested duty to implement. Suggest an office the boss general to fly civil in India that take from safety air and order important. A proposal that must be implemented, assuming laws prevent use perfumes and lotion mouth and any materials containing alcohol. Come the suggestion in context fears from impact drinks alcoholic on pilots and use means to hide odor. Where came in regulations new civil aviation laws in India, no, allow for any from individuals crew flying with consumption any medicine or use any material contains on alcohol, like lotion the mouth or perfume. Where maybe that lead that to results positive in tests alcohol. She added regulations that any an individual from individuals crew Indian plane which need to use like this is amazing materials aromatic, must that he consults doctor company before performance his mission in aviation. On although from that perfumes maybe contains on quantities slim from alcohol, unless that it from not the obvious what if he was situation perfume on the body maybe that lead to results positive liar in a test alcohol. And that requirement safety air official for the Directorate the Public to fly civil Indian done authentication on her in August 2015, and extras proposed currently shown to comment the year. It is worth its signal to that it in 2018 it was completed judgment on pilot from Lines Air Japanese in prison for 10 months after that I showed tests breathing that done after takeoff the plane, that level alcohol in his blood, he was 9 double limit legal. And in the United States of America, it was completed directed by pilot from a company Delta from the plane before takeoff, because of his suspicion and eat it for alcohol. He confirmed Sunday my representative a company Delta in that period that their policy towards alcohol, she for more policy strictness in industry civil aviation, to maintain the safety of aircraft passengers, and they know they tolerate with any violation she has. So India suggests a proposal that must be implemented. Prohibition pilots and flight attendants from use perfumes and any other products that contain alcohol. And it should be banned use perfumes in aviation civil Indian because fears take off pilots, delusion in conditioned sugar, and use things to hide odor.